Hey guys, so I am going to show you how to recover your Metamask wallet if you have forgotten your password or if you just want to move your wallet to another computer. So if you have never created a Metamask wallet, please go learn how to set one up with my Metamask wallet setup tutorial video. So go ahead and unlock your wallet, or if you're on a different computer without Metamask, simply reinstall Metamask to your browser. So we are going to import using secret recovery phrase. This is the 12-word phrase that you have been asked to write down and protect upon account creation for Metamask. Since we are recovering a Metamask wallet, we are going to recover with a 12-word phrase. You can also import other wallets outside of Metamask, such as Ledger, except Ledger has a 24-word phrase, which you can select in this drop-down menu. We will go ahead and select the 12-word phrase. Type in your 12 words and create a new password to unlock your Metamask wallet when you want to use it. And that's it. Just verify your account balance.